Hi everyone, this is Yuti Belwar and this video is about which medical university abroad is best for Indian students, Ukraine edition. Let's start with one of the university which is very popular and of course a university where a lot of Indian students go, and we'll discuss in and out about this university. All your doubts about this university and any medical university abroad will be clarified in this series. Every day I'll cover one medical university of Ukraine and you will get to know about this university, why you should choose or not choose this university. First thing first, this medical university was established in 1805 and it is situated in Kharkiv city, which is 488 kilometers from Kiev, which is the capital of Ukraine. To travel from Kiev to Kharkiv, you can either choose flight, which is for 1 hour duration. You can choose train, which is 4 to 6 hours duration, depending on the which kind of train you're choosing. Or you can take taxi or bus also, which will take 7 hours to reach Kharkiv. When we talk about flying from India, the total duration taken to reach Ukraine, which is Kiev, the capital city, is only 7 hours. But if you talk about reaching Kharkiv directly, you can also fly to Kharkiv via Istanbul. You have to have a stopover at Istanbul for 3 hours. So the total duration to reach Kharkiv directly would be 12 hours. So you have to go from Delhi to Istanbul, then Istanbul to Kharkiv. So previously, Kharkiv National Medical University used to be the medical faculty of VN Karazina Kharkiv National University, and then later on it got its accreditation of university. This fact would be very interesting that Kharkiv city is called the student city. It has 13 universities of different streams like economics, radio engineering, and so many others. So Kharkiv city is one of the cities of Ukraine which is having a highest number of Indian students studying there. And Kharkiv National Medical University is the university where highest number of Indian students are studying in one university. So when we talk about numbers, 3,800 Indian students are studying in the Kharkiv city at this moment, and in Kharkiv National Medical University there are 1,850 students studying at this moment. Kharkiv National Medical University is the member of International Association of University under aegis of UNESCO. Not only this, when you talk about accreditations, it is accredited by WHO, MCI, UNESCO, EFPA, AMRF, American Medical Research Foundation, UMS, GMC UK, EUA, IUA, Bath University, etc. And when you talk about international cooperation, you will be glad to know that it is recognized by many countries' reputed university, including Federal Republic of Germany and Poznan University of Medical Sciences, Poland. So Ukraine's education system comes under the Bologna process. In this process, basically all the universities which are working under this process, they use ECTS program, which is European Credit Transfer System. Under this system, basically it's easier for you to transfer yourself from one university to another, which comes under the Bologna process. So that's why every subject is having a weightage and it is marked as credit, so that when you want to take a transfer from one university or to some other country, it should be under Bologna process. So it will be easier for them to take you as a transfer because they have the same marking scheme and your marks can be calculated as credits. So basically there are 360 credits for MBBS medical, when you talk about MD general physician, because that's a term they use. So basically they have 360 credits. So whatever study you have done, so they will calculate the credits you have achieved, and then you can start your study in another university beyond that, like after that, like you have to achieve the rest of the credits. When we talk about the teachings, this is a very interesting fact, I'm sure, because they teach in a group of 7 to 8 students only, because that's the system they follow to teach the students, because they think that in the medical studies it's very important to have a focus on the students. The teacher should be able to focus on each and every students, and that's why they have a group of 7 to 8 students only. In the second year onwards, they get some clinical experience in which they take the experience of nursing the patient. From third year onwards, the clinical subjects are taught. The full duration of this course is 5 years, 8 months, or 6 years, you can say, of course. Basically, the session starts from 1st of September onwards. It's end by the end of the June. So talking about the accommodation system of Kharkiv National Medical University, they basically have 6 hostel buildings. Out of that, 5 are used for the medical students, and the hostels are two types of hostels are there. One is corridor system, where the washrooms are not washrooms are shared, the bathrooms and washrooms are shared, and another is the block system or the apartment system, in which the washrooms are attached. From $800 to $1,500 per year is the hostel fees which you can pay there, and it depends on the facilities and the kind of hostels you are choosing. The hostel of the university is situated a bit far, around few kilometers, and students generally take metro to reach there. 2 stations they have to cover, and they can reach to the university, and while going back they have to take the metro, and they can reach to the hostel area, because that area is not residential, so there are no hostels there. So yes, you have to take metro. The maximum sharing could be there is of 5 to 6 students, depending on the size of the room, and the minimum is 2. You can also ask for single accommodation, but it's very rare because the hostels are pretty full there. So you may also ask for single room occupancy, but it has to be done in prior basis, and the fee can be different from that of double share. Talking about Indian food, that's one of the thing I would ask you to please go and watch the video that I'm sharing in the link. It shows the whole cafeteria, the mess, you can say, the restaurant, you can say there. It is all about Indian food and the delicacies of India. And if you are in Ukraine and if you are in Kharkiv, then one thing is for sure, that you will not miss the taste of Indian food. MCI coaching. Talking about MCI coaching, the reason behind the popularity of this university is one of the reasons actually is the MCI coaching. They have the proper schedule for MCI coaching, and also they have guest lectures of Indian professors there itself in Ukraine. So many of the Indian professors who are really like leaders in their subjects, they go there and they teach the students, take their classes, and teach them how to excel in MCI FMGE examination. Talking about the fee structure of this university, the fee structure of this university in dollars, in US dollars, is $4,800. If I calculate it at the rate of 75, it would come around 3,60,000 rupees per year, which is, I think, very much affordable. As I told you about the hostel fees is $800 to $1,500, of course, depending on your selection of the hostel rooms. That would cost you 75,000 rupees to 1 lakh per year. So that's about the hostels. In the first year, you will be incurring one-time charges. For more details, please download Book My University app and select Ukraine, then select Kharkiv. Select the fee structure, and then you will be able to see what all expenses you have to pay there. And you can also book your seat through this app only. So I have visited this university myself, not once, twice, but many times, and I have seen this university in and out. Took interviews of the teachers, the dean of the international students, and many of the students also there. This university is seasoned university. It has the experience of teaching Indian as well as international students. From more than I think 50 countries, students come here to study. So I think this is one of the reasons, if you really want Indian culture with international exposure, then this is one of the university you can look forward to. This university has many graduates, and they are working very fine in the different aspects. Some of them are also went to US for the studies. Some have further pursued their PG post graduation, and some of them are working in India as well. So why I began my this edition, Ukraine edition, with this university is I wanted you to have the best of the experiences of the Ukraine universities. This is one of the finest university. It provides all the facilities. It has the highest teaching standards. The number of faculties are well enough and well educated and well qualified for you to teach you the best of their knowledge. And if you further go through this university, you will definitely find that if you will really work hard with the professors and with the teachers and with the staff members there, you can definitely excel. It has got research laboratories. Some students are really into research and they want to enhance their knowledge, then this university is a must. You can definitely select that. The faculties are well versed with English language, and they teach in English medium only, so you don't have to really worry. Ukraine get alone is a country where the teaching is at least in English language. As far as the safety and security is concerned, Kharkiv is a very safe city for Indian students and for any other international student as well. I have sent many students there, and of course they can vouch on this thing that they are pretty happy and pretty satisfied with the quality of education. Bookmy University is authorized to provide you admission in this university. We can assure you the facilities, the best facilities of this university, the best hostel facilities, and also throughout the 6 years, we provide you assistance with any of the difficulties during your academic period. So just choose Bookmy University to have a smooth experience in admission in Kharkiv National Medical University. All you have to do is download the Bookmy University app, select Ukraine, select Kharkiv National Medical University, and click on Apply Now. It will be a smooth experience for you, no matter which country you are right now or which city, which state, because we have applications from other than from India also. So we can help you out with all these things, and you can definitely trust on us, because that is from where everything will start. So thank you so much for watching this video. Tomorrow we'll discuss another university of Ukraine. And if you really want to study MBBS in Ukraine or study in Ukraine, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video, and we'll keep coming with more informative videos. Thank you so much.